Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey. I am a 23-year-old who works and lives in Denver, Colorado, and this video is going to be my favorite, what I eat in a week. I know I need to broaden my horizons in the type of videos I make, but truly these are my favorite because they help me out. I heard that they help you guys out and your relationship with food, and that just makes me happy. So let's get into the video. Happy Saturday. This morning was beautiful, so I decided to walk to Starbucks and treat myself with a matcha latte with almond milk. So delish, and it was a glorious walk along the Platte River, although it is getting a bit mosquito-y, but nonetheless it was a beautiful day. And after my walk, I got dressed and headed to Barry's with my friend Casey. And I haven't been to Barry's since I lived in New York, and there's only one location in Cherry Creek in Denver, so had to go. They had a package deal and it was a great workout. If you don't know, Barry's is a combination of running and weight training, and it's a great sweat. After Barry's, I wanted to go to Lululemon, of course, and I picked up this hoodie that I've been eyeing for months, and I love this heathered gray color. I then went to Whole Foods and picked up an Olipop. I do think Olipop tastes better than Poppy, that's just my opinion, but after Whole Foods, finally went home and made myself breakfast, lunch. It was like 1 p.m. at this point, so I warmed up a tortilla, smashed avocado on top, then I fried up some eggs with spinach, and I put some turkey on the wrap for extra protein, added on the egg, and then folded it. I then made a nice little sauce on the side, and it was a delicious and filling breakfast. And then in the early evening, I headed to Cheeseman Park, and me and the kid had a nice spread of charcuterie board, some prosciutto toast, if I'm saying that right. We painted, drank some Italian sodas, and it was a great time, and that was basically dinner. Good morning, happy Sunday. Let's go to the frickin' farmer's market. I'm so excited. Also wearing this new Lulu jacket I got, so freaking cute, but today is opening day of the South Pearl Farmers Market, which is by Washington Park, Wash Park in Denver, and I'm so excited, so let's go. We are at the farmers market. Oh, so cute.
Buy some other things so you can get them in the bag.
Look at this face. Good. It's gluten-free. I know, better than Starbucks.
Nice.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm filming.
Oh, love it.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Craft. We got these horchata oat milk lattes. So good. Amazed. Cute. Size. So I just finished up at the farmers market. I dropped off Casey because she coaches tennis, and we're gonna go thrifting after we do our shit, but I'm at Core Power right now, and I've found parking so easily. Literally found it within, like, literally I got a front seat spot, so I'm so happy. I'm going to do a C2 class. Did not plan to go to yoga this early. I was gonna do like a night class, but it works out. So I'm excited, but yeah, I'll take you guys in a second. I swear on the weekends I eat so late, but this was like around 1 p.m., 2 p.m. after yoga and thrifting. I decided to make a big old breakfast with everything but the bagel. Everything bagel. And I fried up a brat that I got from the farmer's market, scrambled some eggs with pesto, and it was a nice spread. Oh my gosh. This is a Dave's Killer Bread Bagel with some chive cream cheese, pesto eggs, and a brat. Very immaculate, very delicious, very hearty. Then for dinner, my roommate and I made some chicken dumplings. So you're gonna need ground chicken, cabbage, ginger, scallions, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, chili oil for after, and here I am just chopping up some scallions. My roommate is mixing up the cabbage, cleaning it out, because you have to clean your vegetables, guys, or there's a lot of little critters in there. But once we chopped up everything, we combined it with the ground chicken, and you add in the soy sauce, the sesame oil, the rice vinegar, and you let it marinate for 30 minutes so it soaks up all the flavor. Here I am having a Capri Sun break, but yes, we began folding. You need some warm water and a spoon for taking the mixture into the little wrapper. But yeah, here I am folding. I just do the basic folds. Super easy and really cheap to make. And then for dessert, I air fried a whole grain cookie. On Monday morning, I wanted a sweet and savory breakfast, so I toasted up 2 pieces of gluten-free toast, almond butter on one side, turkey on the other, banana, egg, and then I topped it off with some blueberries and honey, and then egg, feta, chili oil, and it was a delicious breakfast and the perfect sweet savory combo I needed this morning. For lunch this day, I just wanted a yogurt bowl, so then I microwaved some frozen strawberries. This acts as like a jam. And then I put in my lemon yogurt. Lemon yogurt is the best. And I mix that together, and it kind of tastes like cheesecake, if I'm being honest. I added some granola and honey on top, and it was so freaking good, y'all. It was delicious. So for dinner, I wanted to make a salad with the leftover scallions and cabbage mixture. I seasoned the salad with some pepper, some vegan Caesar from Trader Joe's. I then air fried my shrimp patty. Super easy, great source of protein. I also opened up an avocado. She was a little brown, so I just had to pick around her. And I also microwaved some edamame, brown rice, and corn to dump into the salad to add more oomph to it. Because you know, when you eat salads, you just feel not as satisfied. So adding a grain always does the job. Added my shrimp patty on top, and it was delicious and filling. You have 45 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes until we're in the store, which is my first time doing it. Yes, on Monday I did 2 yoga classes at Core Power. You know what? When your mental health is declining, double up on your fitness grind. It really helps for me personally. Happy Tuesday, let's go to the gym. So on Tuesday morning, I went to the gym. I just did a run, walk, run series for an hour. I think it ended up being like 3-4 miles. I also drank a Celsius, and then I quickly had my leftover salad for breakfast. I added an egg on top. Then I headed to the office. Look at this cute little doggy. And at my office, we do have coffee on Tuesdays or Thursdays, and I had a chai latte, my typical thing. I had a little bit of a donut because why not? It's free. And then I got lunch with a bunch of coworkers. We went to a sushi place. I thought I got sushi rolls. I guess I got hand rolls and one sushi roll, but it's okay. I just ate the insides of the hand rolls because I'm not a big fan of hand rolls because it's just so much rice and filling ratio. It's a little off, so I felt bad for wasting a bunch of it, but it's okay. I just didn't want to force myself to eat something that I didn't enjoy. And the reason I want to explain that in a long-winded way was because this is something that I've been trying to work on. I hate food waste, so a lot of the time I eat all my food even though I am full and I'm just eating past my capacity at that point, and that leads to binge eating tendencies. So it's something I'm working on in my recovery journey, so just wanted to throw that in there. After work, my team had a bonding event. We went to View House, which is this cool sports outdoor bar thing, and there's a lot of cornhole. I had some nachos and a matcha strawberry marg, and that was really good. And here are my coworkers feeding each other. How cute. But yeah, that was ultimately my dinner. Wednesday morning, it was quite a hectic day. I had a Celsius in the morning. This day I was traveling after work, so I was kind of in a crunch for what I'm eating. So at work we have a lot of breakfast options. I had these egg bites with Tabasco sauce and it was really good. Great source of protein, kept me full. Happy hump day. Currently walking to pick up lunch. It's literally like 2 p.m. I am starving. Just finished a meeting, but it's quite chilly today. I love this beanie. Thank you, Jack. So as I mentioned, we got Jinya for lunch. Not the healthiest, but it's okay. It's out of convenience. I had this like pork and egg ramen with a side salad. It was so good, perfect for the cold weather and absolutely divine. Then I got home early and I saw that my bananas were going bad and I was leaving for a flight and my roommate doesn't eat bananas, so banana bread. Yeah. Sorry. So I was absolutely surprised by how well this banana bread turned out because baking in Colorado, you have to change around your ingredients and cooking temperatures due to the altitude. I cooked this at like a higher temperature than I usually would, and it turned out so good. I used oat flour, I blended up some chocolate chips and threw them in there, and it was so moist and so good and gluten-free. Then at the airport, I got some Auntie Anne's weenies because my flight kept getting delayed and I was getting hungry, so give me this pass. I love my little weenies. Well, that is it for the video. If you guys enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!